Hi, welcome to the video. In this video, I will show you a quick walkthrough of Joforce Workflows and how it works. With Joforce Workflows, you can quickly complete your repetitive task effortlessly. For example, if you want to create a team meeting with all your leads, then you don't need to set the event whenever you create a lead. Just create a workflow and the workflow does the job for you. Not only this, you can create a record or send an email or update field and more with this automated workflow. Now I will show you in detail how to create and trigger the workflow. First, navigate to Settings. Search for Workflows. I am creating a new workflow by clicking on this plus new workflow icon. Here you need to provide the appropriate workflow name. I have given us creating an event on lead captures. Provide the description. Select the appropriate target module of your workflow from the drop-down. I am selecting the leads module. Now click on this Add Trigger. Select the trigger condition, that is, when you want to trigger your workflow. If you select the lead creation, then the workflow will be triggered only when the lead is created. If you select lead updated, then the workflow will be triggered whenever a lead is created and updated. You can also set a time frequency to trigger your workflow by selecting the time interval. Here, select any time frequency as per your need, like hourly, weekly, monthly, and all, from the drop-down. Now select the recurrence. You need to trigger the workflow only when the first time conditions are met or every time the conditions are met. Here you can add the workflow rule. The AND rule should be satisfied to trigger the workflow. You can add any number of rules and the workflow triggers when any one of the rules meet. I am selecting the lead industry as communications. That is, the lead from the communication department will be assigned to team meetings. Here you can add any number of rules and the workflow will be triggered when all the rules are met. The OR rule may or may not be satisfied to trigger the workflow. Now click on Add Actions and select Action from the drop-down. I am selecting Create Event. Now the Create Event pop-up window will be displayed. Provide the action title, event name, time and date of the event, and fill in all the required fields. Then click on Save. Now your newly created workflow will be displayed in the list. Enable the workflow to trigger the condition when they are met. Now I am going to create a lead. For that, navigate to Leads module. Now click on Add Lead. Fill in all the mandatory fields. Here I am selecting the industry as communication and click on Save. The lead has been created successfully. Here you can see the lead is updated with one calendar activity. Let's check it on the calendar module. Here you can see the team meeting is updated for your newly created lead. By this way, you can do your repetitive task with a simple workflow. Hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.